All right, looks like the passenger side front is absolutely roasted. I wonder if that's the only one that's working. I'm gonna tear everything down, check it, and see what we got. I've never seen this grease go liquid. That's wild. Wonder how many miles are on this thing. Passenger side rear. Oh yeah, donezo. Done, done, done. Passenger side rear is off. Passenger side front. I think this was the only one that was working. Passenger side front's off. Driver side front. Driver side front's off. Driver side rear. We're getting changed out. Driver side rear is off. Got a blown equalizer bolt, so the equalizer is getting changed out. All right, center equalizer is coming out. Front bolt is out. Bushing's gone. New bushing's in. There's the bad equalizer and a Black Widow. The equalizer bolt and a new locking nut is going in. Everything is that way. Front bolt is in. Front locking nut is on. Holes lined up. Rear bolt is in. Front bolt is on. Rear bolt is on and tight. Equalizer is changed out. Bushing's out. New bushing going in. Like we did on the other ones. Good. Bolt is on, nut is on, bushing's in. Bolt is on, bolt is tight. Passenger side's done. And brakes are going on. Wiring is not smashed into the backing plate. And rear is going on. Wiring is not smashed into the backing plate. Rear is on and tight. And shrink wrap and butt connectors. Wiring passenger side is done. I think I'm gonna pull wiring through this one. I pulled wire through the other one a long year and a half ago. So let's pull wire on this front axle. Wiring's to copper inside that. That's a good thing we did that. Cool. Passenger side front, wired and done. Tuck it a little bit. That's good. Changing driver side now. Driver side's blown out. New bushing in. Perfect. New equalizer going on. Main bolt is in. Front bolt is in. Rear bolt is in. Center equalizer's out. Let's do the front bolt and bushing. Bolt's out. Bushing's in. Bolt is in. And brakes going on driver side. Wiring is not smashed into the backing. Driver side front, wired up. Wiring on driver side rear is done and shrunk wrap. All brakes are on, new equalizers are on, new bolts, new nuts, new bushings. Let's pack up new hub and drums, get them on, and then we're gonna dive into wiring. All right, packing bearings and packing hubs. All bearings are packed. Packing hubs with a little bit of grease. Bearings going in. Inner bearings are in, seals going in. Seals are 2 1/4 and they're going in. Hub and drums are packed. All washers are clean, all castle nuts are clean. I've got new dust caps and new cotter pins. Let's get them on. 50. Back off. Roughly hand tight. 50. Passenger side rear, cotter pin verified. Passenger side front, cotter pin verified. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side front, tighten, can't spin. Passenger side rear, slightly rubbing on the brakes. 50. Driver side front, cotter pin is verified. 50. Driver side rear, cotter pin verified. Driver side rear, slightly rubbing. Driver side front, back off, slightly rubbing. Driver side's on, and all brakes are adjusted. Axles are serviced, everything's good on that. I need to work on the wiring on the front now. All right, there's a terminal box underneath the trailer. I think I just cleaned wiring up front here with some shrink wrap butt connectors. Put a new 7-way on the front, clean that up, put shrink wrap over the top of this, put shrink wrap over the top of this. I think that's what I'll do. There's already one terminal box underneath the trailer, and then I'll wire in the breakaway to this section here. That's what I'll do. New breakaway battery going on. Breakaway kit's on. I drilled a hole. I'm just going to run the wiring through that hole, and then I can shrink wrap everything in the front and make it look nice and clean. I need to run this to the blue section. There's charge line. This breakaway switch side is going to go into blue. The brake circuit. Wiring is done. Just need to shrink wrap everything. Gonna first put the 7-way on the end of this, test the wiring, make sure it works, and then we'll clean it up. Jumping a little ahead. I got marker lights working. 2 new ambers on this side, 1 new red, 2 new reds on the rear. These ones worked. I do need to change out this front one. I got it to work, and then I just changed out one, and then one of the red, that one works. But it just has a red lens on it. I might just toss a red lens onto that one. I need to order in these specific lenses. Mine are like square on the outside and these are rounded. But let's get these rear ones on now. I've got new LED lights that are going on the rear here. Checking rear lights. Left turns on and working. Right turns on and working. Marker lights are on. Marker lights are good on the rear. Marker lights are good all the way down passenger side. Marker lights work all the way down driver's side. This one just doesn't have an amber lens on it, so I gotta order one in. All the fronts work. Got a red lens on that one, but it works. At least all lights work now. I think 3 of them worked when I got here. Breakaway kit is in. 7-way is rewired and shrunk wrap. Looking good. Breakaway kit's on. Let's make sure that the charge system is working for the breakaway. Getting good circuit on the 12 volt. 12 volt is on. It is charging. Perfect. And I already know the lights work. Let's check brakes. Passenger side, rear free spinning, front free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning, free spinning. Passenger side is good. Driver side front, free spinning. Driver side rear, free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning, free spinning. Brakes are good. Let's pull that breakaway pin. Breakaway pin is pulled. Brakes should be locked up. They are locked up. Breakaway system works. Just throw this back in. Should be deactivated. Front driver side, back to free spinning. Awesome. All systems work, all brake circuits work. Let's clean up. And torque and lug nuts. Lug nuts torqued. I'll see the rundown on this trailer. Fixed as many lights as I could. They're all working. I got 2 lenses that I need to order. They're old style. See if I can get some. I put a new breakaway kit on the front, new breakaway switch. Fixed up the 7-way wiring. 4 new backing plates, 4 new hub and drums, 4 new bearing kits, 2 new equalizers, all new bolts and nuts, and 4 bushings. I got new LEDs on the rear for him. His left turn, right turn work. His brakes work. His breakaway kit works. All lug nuts are torqued. This job's done. I'm on to the next.